Imagine transforming your walls into stunning works of art without breaking the bank. Discover the latest PVC wall panel designs that will revolutionize your home decor. PVC wall panels are more than just a budget-friendly option. They offer versatility and style. From minimalist chic to industrial edge, these panels can mimic luxurious finishes like marble without the upkeep. Choose from a variety of styles: high-gloss monochromatic panels for a sleek look, wood-grain PVC planks for a cozy vibe, or industrial finishes with metallic accents. Geometric patterns and vibrant hues can add a playful touch to any room. For a flawless installation, ensure your surface is clean and smooth. Use a leveling compound if necessary, and apply a moisture-resistant primer in humid areas like bathrooms. Plan your layout to avoid awkward cuts and center patterns for symmetry. PVC panels aren't just for walls. They can be used to conceal wiring, create hidden storage, or even serve as a magnetic memo board. Pair them with metallic accents or reclaimed wood for contrast, or add custom art for a unique touch. One of the best perks of PVC is its ease of care. Simply wipe with a microfiber cloth daily, and use mild soap for stains. While PVC isn't the most eco-friendly option, look for brands using recycled content to reduce environmental impact. Don't let PVC be an afterthought. Make it the hero of your home decor. With endless design possibilities and low maintenance, PVC wall panels are ready to redefine your space. Share your PVC makeover journey with us in the comments below.